Hey my friends, this is Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about how to completely turn your life around. So many people have made many mistakes throughout their life, and in order to own up to it, you have to really decide to make a transition. For most people, transitioning means occupational transitioning. This means that if you're going to work 40, 50, 60 hours a week, you transition occupationally and you expect that everything else in your life works out. Now for others, a transition might be regarding your health. Maybe you've been in and out the hospital. You require some time to fix yourself physically so you can heal. Or maybe there's a relational transition you have to make. Perhaps you have to cut off certain people in your life. There's people that might be your neighbors, your co-workers, your friends, your family, whoever it is. You might have to make some decisions based on the relationships that you currently have. Every single person in this world is going to have to go through a transition. Every 10 years, you have to make a transition for yourself if you want to reach your highest goals in your life. Now, for every 10 years, that means you need to give yourself at least 6 to 12 months in order to make this transition. And throughout this time period, you have to decide what that transition is going to look like. For some people, they might have to withdraw completely and not talk to anyone for the next 6 to 12 months. For others, they might have to hit the gym every single day for the next 6 to 12 months in order to reach the physical fitness that they've been searching for. Either way, you have to take inventory of where you are right now and the outcome that you want in the future and build a plan so that you can finally get to those results. Once you understand what your goals are and how you're going to get there, now you have to take action. Obviously, there's going to be certain things that happen in this transition. Certain people that you might not want to talk to want to reconnect. If you're on a diet and you want to lose weight, certain foods might be staring you down, or you might even drive by your favorite restaurant that made you fat in the first place. Or maybe you're questioning yourself because you're making a career transition and you're wondering how you even got into this industry in the first place. Either way, there's going to be adversity and you have to learn how to overcome them. Maybe you might lose something important that you really needed. Maybe your plans might change along the way and now you have to make a mini transition within the major transition. All I'm saying is this: if there's a transition that you're trying to make, there's always going to be a set of consequences based upon that decision. And the more adversity you face, the more opportunity you'll encounter along the way. Now, if you take advantage of these opportunities, God is going to do something very special in your life. He's going to promote you faster than you ever could have expected. Your circumstances are engineered by God, and He's actually allowing you to make the right decisions so that you could make the right transition. And once you obey Him to a certain point, everything will work out exactly the way it was supposed to be. Certain people will show up, certain opportunities will appear, certain enemies will disappear, and everything will work out exactly the way it was supposed to be. If you understand exactly what I'm saying, then you'll do everything in your power to keep on obeying. If you're going through a transition and you want me to help you, please write me an email at info@danielaldie.com. This is your mentor, Daniel Aldie. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to type yes in the comment section below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification button so I can keep on sending you videos just like this one. I look forward to your success, I look forward to your prosperity, and I look forward to everything that you do for the rest of humanity. I'll see you guys next time.